Description. This rich, reparative cream quenches dryness, soothes redness and comforts irritated skin. Physician formulated. Benefits. Calms redness and irritation. Supports collagen and skin elasticity. Nourishes and provides antioxidant benefits. Suggested use. Apply liberally to cleansed skin for evening skin revitalization. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing Night Moisturizer. Love. I love this moisturizer. The citrus smell is energizing and works beautifully with my skin. I put it on my face and next each night. I will continue to buy this product.